gotta
It's a little old lady.
Yep.
Okay, so it's a little old lady behind us. We're about to stop at this stop sign, and we're just gonna sit there until she honks our horn at us. Then as soon as she honks our horn at us, air horn.
Just be careful of police, guys. In this area.
The police, really?
Yeah.
This is going to be interesting because there's actually a lot of traffic.
This is illegal.
Yes, technically it is illegal.
So, get ready to go. I'm going to get my seatbelt on. You need to do the same. Just in case.
Wait for it to go.
We're a bunch of assholes, but...
Dude, I know. We're a bunch of assholes.
She's just sitting back there, isn't she?
Yep. I think it's a he. We're fucking up everything here.
I got that.
Hang on. She's like, what are we doing? She's like hunkering way up. Hang on. We're so stopping up traffic.
Yeah, we kind of are. My God.
Go.
Okay.
Go. Get out of here.
Alright, I'm going.
God damn.
Chip, we need to stop somewhere that we can just go.
Yes. That's fucking epic. Honk. I don't even know who honked
You
that.
can't even do it right, dude. You gotta be like,
I do it as long as they do it.
Yeah.
If they sit there wailing on it, I'm gonna sit there wailing on it.
Hell yeah.
Alright, and this does dead end up here, so you're gonna want to turn off like right there.
Okay. Works for me. God damn it.
What are you doing?
I'm turning around.
Oh. And there she fucking goes.
Okay, I hope my car was not on neutral.
It was.
Okay, let me back up into the curb.
Why you still got the phone on?
I don't know. Let me put it on pause.
Not here.
Not here, because the police station's right there.
Oh, okay.